Bye-bye, $300 a month in gas. Hello, free AC. What's up, everybody? So, if it looks like I'm a hot mess, it's because I am. It has been scorching here in Florida for the last probably 2 months now, but it is getting worse and worse by the minute. And I am spending more and more money on this damn generator to keep my AC running. It is costing me, with these gas prices, over $300 a month to run this AC every day, and I'm tired of it. So we went over to the floating tiny house and I grabbed my Bluetti AC 200 or 200 ACP. I don't remember what it is. I'll put a link somewhere up here or down. I'll put a link in the description. But it's a 2,000 watt generator. I got it probably, maybe about 1.5 years ago, I think it's been. And what we used it for out there on the floating tiny house was to run the refrigerator, oscillating fans, charging phones, running the TV, different things like that, but never to run the AC on. So this is going to be my first try and attempt at running a little window unit AC. I don't know the specs on it, but I'll put that down in the description as well. It's one of the cheapest generic, Midea brand window units. So yeah, so I got two 250 watt solar panels up on the tiny, and I'm going to plug in the AC and see what this thing does. All right, so this is the AC unit right here. It's just Midea brand, M-I-D-E-A. Like I said, I'll put it in a description, down in the description below. But all right, so we're pulling in a little over 400 watts right now with the 500 watts of panels I have up there right now, and we're at 68%. I do have my DC fridge plugged in as well. Bodega, if you're interested in purchasing one of those, I will link a link down below where you can get one of those as well. And all right, so let's see, got the AC on, that's pulling watts. Now I just need to find my remote. Here it is. Okay. On. All right, so we got it at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's about, God, I want to say it's in the 90s today. So it's scorching hot, and automatically we're pulling 72 watts. So that's because the compressor is not on. So let me turn it down some. All right, so the compressor kicked on, and now we're pulling 360 to 370 watts. Let's see if this bad boy goes up any. So right now we are pulling almost as much watts in from the panels as we're pulling out. Well, now we're going down a little bit more because we got some shade. Okay, the compressor just kicked on even harder. All right, so we're pulling about 460 to 470 watts right now with the compressor completely on full throttle. We got it at 67 degrees, and we're pulling in about 370, 380 watts with the we got two 250 watt panels up there, so a total of 500 watts. Now keep in mind, even though I have 500 watts up there, I'm not going to ever get a total of 500 watts of power coming in. Why that is, I don't know, but I guess that's just the way they work. So my plan is to get another 250 watt solar panel to add to this for collectively 750 watts, and in hopes that I will get around 600 to 650 watts coming in, which will run this AC all day long and still keep a charge. All right, so I'm gonna let that run for about an hour. I'm gonna go back and check it. Right now, me and Bentley are going to go get something to drink because we are so thirsty. And yeah, so we'll get back to you in about an hour. All right, well, the AC's still running. That's a good sign. Let's go inside and check it out. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the silence that solar brings. All right, guys, so new day, and I didn't get to finish doing that other footage because I ran out of storage in my phone once again. But the readings on that day with the two 500 watt panels, the max it was bringing in was around 410 watts, and the AC was pulling 470, I don't remember. But now I have two more 250 watt panels up there for a total of 1,000 watts coming in from the solar panels. So now it's going to be the first time I'm going to try this with the new panels on. So let's redo this. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so we're at 99% charged and we're bringing in around 220, 240 watts right now. There is quite a bit of clouds out there. So hopefully that will go up, considering we have 500 more watts of solar panels out there. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the AC on. Turn it on up here. We have it set for 67 degrees. And it's running now. Again, we're pulling, 84 watts. That's without the compressor on. So as soon as the compressor comes on, I will turn this back on and show you what it's pulling. All right, so the AC is pulling about 420, 430 watts, and that is with the compressor on. And then we are bringing in so far 550 watts from the 1,000 watts of panels we have up there. 560, 580. Come on, baby. This is exciting. Ooh, come on. So yes, I'm going to wait and see about another couple hours or so when noon hits and see what these panels are going to be bringing in. All right, guys, it is around 11 o'clock right now, and the AC is pulling around 430, 440 watts, and we are bringing in over 700 watts out of the 1,000. Ooh, 720. That is freaking phenomenal. So right there, oh, now we get some clouds, but just at that, and see, we've been at 98% this entire time. And that's been, what, 2 hours since I've been on here last, around 9 o'clock. This is freaking a game changer. Let me just show you what it looks like outside so you can get an idea. It's pretty overcast. So on a day with no clouds, oh my God, I can't wait to see what that's gonna be. Woo! All right, guys, I'm gonna have to make this quick because I'm running out of phone storage, but I am super happy with what this has done so far. I am ecstatic about having cold AC during the hottest peak hours of the day, but you know, I'm gonna have to try and figure out what I'm gonna do for running it at night. Right now, you know, I'm perfectly fine with running fans and everything like that. Keeps me cool enough. But yeah, so anyways, that does it for this video, and I will catch you all on the next one. Bye.